Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I received this Parkside 4-volt cordless screwdriver, the PASS 4A1. Let's take a look at the info on the box. It's a 4-volt battery, 1.5 amp hours, no load rotation speed, 360 RPM, and a maximum torque of 5 Newton meters. Come with all these bits and pieces. USB-C charging cable, a 3-year warranty. It comes in this nice box. Let's open it up real quickly. Forward, backwards. Let me take a look at the info on the side. All rubberized. The Parkside plastic, as we know. I think it's magnetic. Let's see. Yeah, it's magnetic inside there. I don't know if the bits are magnetic also, but we're gonna find out. Let's see if the bit itself is also magnetic. And the bits are not magnetic. Where is the magnetic part then? Is that in here? Yeah, see there's only a magnet here in the back side of the bit holder. Looks very proper. USB-C charging on the back side. Now here it is. Let's see. That's working fine. And this is on maximum. Now let's see if I put it all the way back. Oh yeah, it stops. That's very good. That's very proper. That's very nice. Turn it up a little bit. So this is actually working. That's very nice. Shouldn't be able to get it out now. See? And then when I turn it up. Oh. So yeah, very nice. I don't have a clue about the LED indication. Sometimes it turns red, sometimes it stays green, but it's okay. It's not really a battery level. So the only function is forward, backwards, and trigger. And here you can set the strength. So yes, very nice tool with all these bits. There's also an extension here. It also has a magnet inside. So this is what you get. All color coded. The size of the bit is on the bit itself. So yeah, it's simple. It's just a screwdriver. USB chargeable. Has this LED here. I don't know the function of it. Sometimes it turns red. Maybe it's just for charging. Some info on the side here. You can see for yourself. It's all rubberized. And you can set the strength here. How many force you want to use on your screws. And it's forward, backward, and on. And the trigger here. So very nice set with all these bits. Just want to show you so you can take a look for yourself. Charging cable is included. The manual is below there. Don't think you need it. I hope I showed you this product in a right way. If you like this video, please give it a like. That will help me very much. And for now, thanks for watching. I hope to see you next time. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for future videos. Bye for now.